Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start pairing. Do it now. Make sure the watch has at least half charge and the phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled. Install Galaxy Wearable. Open the app and choose Add New Device, then select your exact Samsung watch model to initiate pairing. The app will search. On the watch, confirm Bluetooth pairing and show a code. Once the code appears, compare numbers and accept on both devices to continue the secure connection process. Once paired at the basic level, you need to confirm and configure settings. Match the pairing code, then sign into your Samsung account to enable cloud backup, health sync, and app installs. You can skip but expect reduced features. Grant the Galaxy Wearable app permissions for contacts, notifications, location, and storage so calls, alerts, and fitness data flow properly. Next, update software if prompted. This prevents compatibility issues, and choose whether to restore a backup or set up as new. Finish the setup by customizing the watch face, enabling the widgets you want, and setting notification rules. This tailors behavior and conserves battery. Test a call, message, and an app notification to confirm two-way communication and enable auto-sync for continuous updates. If something fails, try troubleshooting. Toggle Bluetooth, reboot both devices, and reopen Galaxy Wearable. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.